Let's create an instance of the executor service in order to be able to run asynchronous tasks. It could be obtained via executor's new fixed thread pool method invocation. We will put 5 as the number of active threads assigned for execution. After that, start a synchronous task with submit call. Run another one right after that, and get method at the end to wait for the result. In case of exception on the first task, the second one will continue its work and thus will have a thread leak. Or let's say that a thread executing the main task will be interrupted. Subtasks will continue its work. There might be a situation when the result of both subtasks is very important for us. But with executor service, when the second task will fail, it still will wait for the first one to finish the job. As a workaround, we might use a catch structure to cancel all subtasks when one of them will fail. Or use structured concurrency instead. Structured concurrency is a mechanism that treats different subtasks running in different threads as a single unit of work and comes in 2 flavors. Let's create one of them via structured task scope shutdown on failure constructor. As the name suggests, it will stop execution of subtasks if one of them will fail. Asynchronous subtasks could be submitted for execution via fork method call, and then it's important to use join method to wait for all subtasks to finish and yield either result or exception. After that, throw a failed method. That will do nothing if all subtasks finished successfully, or will throw exception otherwise. At the end, result now to retrieve data. The second flavor of structured concurrency is shutdown on success. That could be used in cases when just any result is fine. Let's submit subtasks the same way via fork method call. Put the join method to wait for tasks to finish. After that, result method invocation to get the first computed value. All other subtasks are cancelled once we have any value. In order to use structured concurrency in Java 20, you will need to pass 2 parameters to your JVM. Enable preview and add modules JDK incubator concurrent. Add the same as compilation options. If you are using Java 21, there is no need to add modules flag. There are some other useful methods worth mentioning. The shutdown method could be used to cancel all subtasks. Join until instead of join to set a deadline on how much time to wait for the computation. We can also throw a custom exception in case no result delivered. If none of those flavors suit us, a custom implementation of structured concurrency could be created by extending structured task scope class. And that's the most important things you need to know about structured concurrency. Now try to put this in practice.